everyone, welcome back to the channel. As always, I hope you're doing really well. This was one of the final workouts that I did on this roof. I have some more footage from a few workouts and videos that I made on this roof just over a week ago, so I may be uploading some of those soon. And today I made a few tutorial videos, and I'll have to work on editing those and get those online very soon. I answered a few viewer questions in video format, so I'm looking forward to uploading those. And this particular workout that I did today, I was doing a lot of jump rope ladders. And if you're unfamiliar with the ladder system, it's basically where you do a set number of reps. Let's say the maximum that I want to do is 10. You might do 1 rep in the first set and then take a brief rest, and then the next set do 2 reps, and then the next set do 3 reps. So you keep adding 1 rep until you get up to 10. And then if you want, you can work your way back down the ladder. Go from 10 to 9 to 8 and so on and so forth. Or what you can also do is begin at the top of your ladder. Do 10 repetitions in the first set, and then in the next set, do 9. And in the jump rope ladder that you're seeing right now, the move which I was focusing on was the cross, uncross, double under. So I cross the rope, and then I go into a double under. So you're not doing a standard double under, you're crossing the rope, and then you're uncrossing the rope into double under. And you've seen some slow motion footage of that on the screen already, and I'll show it to you again right now so you can see what I'm talking about. This is a fantastic jump rope move. So I began with 10 cross, uncross, double unders, and then just for a little momentary rest, I did the basic boxer skip. And now here, I am doing the regular 2 feet crisscross ladder. So here I'm doing some regular 2-foot hops. And then I will do 1 crisscross. So here, I'm doing the opposite ladder. I'm starting at 1, and I'm going to work myself up to 10 repetitions, and that's it. I wasn't doing the reverse. I wasn't going back down the ladder. So here I'm doing the 2-foot hop and the 2-foot crisscross. Ladders are a fantastic way to get better at performing a particular move because you're just focusing on one move, or in this case, 2 moves. The 2-foot hop, which you are seeing here, it's kind of like a recovery step. My main focus is doing the crisscrosses. And in the next ladder, which I do, I believe I did double unders with boxer skips. So this ladder system, you can also use it for resistance training. For example, with push-ups or pull-ups or dips, or if you're using weights, you can have a set rep range in mind. Maybe 10 reps, for example. Do 10 reps. Take a short break, then do 9 reps. Take a short break, then do 8 reps. It's a fantastic way to train. And if you just take a little bit of rest in between each set, so for example, if you do 10 reps of a move, and if you rest for about 5 seconds, that helps to recharge your ATP levels. And you'll be able to perform at a good output again after just that little bit of rest. So here, I think, is the final example of one of the ladders that I was doing today, double under ladder. So right now I'm just doing a few little jump squats, bounce squats, just to loosen up my legs. Fantastic little move. Get down into a low squat and just kind of hop up a little bit, bounce on your feet. It's a great way to loosen up your hips, your legs. So double unders with the basic boxer skip as a recovery move. So I began with 10 reps in the first set, and now I'm doing 9 reps here. And I think I may have even lost count, and I threw in an extra set along the way in this jump rope ladder, but it's all good. Just it meant I did a little bit more work, but nothing wrong with that. So I really enjoyed jumping rope on this roof over the years. It was a fantastic space. I had a very secluded. I could come up and jump rope in this on this roof. Surface was quite flat and had some nice views of some mountains in the background and some apartments. So now I'll be filming in various locations. I'll be on the road a lot. But yeah, really enjoyed my time up on this roof, making videos, speaking with you guys, and good times. And as I was saying, I was just making some good tutorial videos there today, and I might even upload a few more videos which I made from this rooftop uh, in the coming weeks as well. So yeah, jump rope ladders. If you haven't tried them, I highly encourage you to give them a go. If you can do 2 jump rope moves, you can do these ladders. All right, thanks for watching, everyone.